dB function is a built-in function used to calculate an asset's depreciation in the Microsoft Excel program. In this video, you will know all about this function, but your attention is all it needs. What does the dB function stand for? The dB function is a financial function in Excel. This function aids in the calculation of an asset's depreciation. For each phase of the asset's existence, the fixed declining balance method is utilized to calculate depreciation. Formula equals dB, open parenthesis, cost, comma, salvage, comma, life, comma, period, comma, open brackets, month, closing brackets with a close parenthesis. These are the arguments used in the dB function. 1. Cost. This is a mandatory argument. This is the asset's original cost. 2. Salvage. This is a necessary argument, the asset's worth after the depreciation period. 3. Life. Mandatory argument. This is the asset's useful life or the number of periods over which it will be depreciated. 4. Period. This is a mandatory argument. This is the time period for which the depreciation should be calculated. 5. Month. This is an optional parameter. This indicates how many months of the year are used in the initial phase of depreciation calculation. If this parameter is left blank, the function will use the default value of 12. How do I use it? Consider the following scenarios to understand better how the dB function is used. First example. Assume we want to figure out how much a $100,000 asset will depreciate over time. After 5 years, the asset salvage value is $10,000. We'll figure out the depreciation for each of the 5 years. Because the month input was left blank, the function assumed it was 12 months. We will just change the period for each year. The dB function computes the asset's depreciation at a fixed rate using the fixed declining balance approach. The formula used by dB to compute depreciation for a period equals, open parenthesis, cost minus total depreciation from prior periods, close parenthesis, asterisk rate, where rate equals 1 minus 2 open parenthesis, salvage slash cost, close parenthesis, wedge, open parenthesis, 1 slash life, double closing parenthesis. Different formulas are used for first and last periods. For the first period, dB uses the following formula: equal cost asterisk rate asterisk month slash 12. For the last period, dB uses the following formula: equals 2 open parenthesis cost minus total depreciation from prior periods, open parenthesis, asterisk rate, asterisk, open parenthesis, 12 minus month, 2 closing parenthesis slash 12. Second example. To better comprehend the function, let's look at another example. We utilize the same information as in the previous case. The depreciation computation, on the other hand, begins 6 months into year 1. The month argument will now be referenced in the new formula. The value at the end of year 1 has depreciated over only 6 months, but the value at the end of year 2 has depreciated over 18 months. 6 months of year 1 plus 12 months of year 2. Things to keep in mind when using the dB function. 1. Asterisk value exclamation mark error occurs when the specified inputs are non-numeric. 2. Asterisk num exclamation mark error when the specified cost or salvage parameter is less than 0. The error occurs as the specified life or period argument is equal to or less than 0. The month argument must be less than or equal to 0, or it must be more than 12. We eliminated the month argument because the given period argument is greater than the life argument, or the provided time period exceeds life plus 1. For example, if the asset's life is 5 years and the period argument is 6 years with 12 months as the month argument, the asset's life is 5 years. This was all from my side to guide you about Microsoft Excel's built-in dB function process. Have you found this video helpful? Tell us in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable and fact-based videos.